Hello, in this video I want to show you how to insert or remove any tool like a hook from a Kerch orbital robot. To do this, first we'll need to pull on the lever right here until the upper mechanism moves like this. Then for the ease of use we can remove the pod by rotating it to the right and then lifting it up. Now we can grab one of the tools available. In this case we're gonna go with the hook, and if you take a closer look on it, there's the gaps that we'll need to align with the slot right here. It should go in directly where there's gaps and the thing stinging out from the slot. Now you will need to push it and start rotating, and that's how you insert any of the tools, because all of them basically insert the same way. In case you want to remove them, then you will need to pull it up. You can hold the upper mechanism with your hand not to break it, and just lift it like that and start rotating to the left, and it should go out easily like that. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.